There is a message in the way a person treats you. Just listen. Never assume that someone likes you by their sweetness, because sometimes you are just an option when they are bored. Everybody is not your friend just because they hang around you and laugh with you doesn't mean they are your friend. People pretend well. At the end of the day, real situations expose fake people, so pay attention. Even if you hear a bad story about me, understand there was a time I was good to those people too, but they won't tell you that. You can meet somebody tomorrow who has better intentions for you than someone who have known forever. Time means nothing, character does. Don't force someone to make time for you. If they really want to, they will. So many friendships ended just because we stopped texting them first. My circle is small because I am into quality, not quantity. Don't depend too much on anyone. Everyone changes when they meet new people. Have you ever sat alone and thought about how easily people can change nowadays? At the end of the day, it doesn't matter who is a stranger, smarter, prettier, or richer. The only thing that matters is whether you are happy or not. Always have a unique character like salt. Its presence is not felt, but its absence makes everything tasteless. Every bad situation will have something positive. Even a dead clock shows correct time twice a day. Psychology says when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities.